In this problem, you've been given a function, capital F, which is defined as a definite integral, and then you've been asked to take its derivative at x equals 1. And so your brain should be screaming fundamental theorem of calculus. This derivative and that integral are going to undo, and that's exactly right. You're going to have the square root of e to the 2 x squared, but we have to multiply by the derivative of that inner function, so we're going to multiply by 2x, minus the square root of e to the 2 with an x plugged in, because that lower limit is x. The derivative of x is 1, so I'm just going to multiply by 1. I didn't really need to do that, but just to remind us of what happens. And then because they said when x equals 1, anywhere there's an x, I'm going to substitute a 1. So when I do, I have 2 square root of e squared minus square root of e squared. Well, hopefully you can realize that this square root and that square, same thing here, will undo each other. So I really have 2e minus e, or just e. Very simple answer for something that looked very complex to begin with. All made possible because we recognize the fundamental theorem of calculus and multiplying by the derivative of our integration limits.